In this short video, I'm going to bring you up to date with what's been going on, so stay tuned. Hey, Captain P here. Welcome to YEA-FRAME. I'm here to help you build unique A-frames that others will envy. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And I almost got 100 subscribers. Yay! What do you think about that? You know? So if you're new here, help out and let's get over 100. It may not be a lot of subscribers, 100, but hey, I've come a long way in my mind, and I'm happy with that. It continues to grow, and that's all I'm looking for. Long-term growth. Okay? Just like long-term, build it right. Long-term growth. Got the subfloor down, 3/4 inch Advantech. Put it down with subfloor adhesive and galvanized 8D ring shank nails. 4-inch perimeter, 6-inch in the field. I picked out a bunch of lumber. You got to pick it out. I tell you, you got to pick it out yourself. I spent a lot of time doing it too. So I got some lumber delivered. Sure. I think we're good there. Wait, go back. All right. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. Perfect. All right. Hey, this is Perry. You guys met Bradley last time when it was before pouring the foundation. Now Perry's come back to do the follow-up after final grade, correct?
That's right.
So there we go. I'll show you what you know. He's just going to be spraying. I'll show you. Stay tuned. Oh, they're going right into the ground. All right, what were you saying about the chemical now compared to the different one?
The chemicals, they're the same and different at the same time. So it's a different chemical than what's used at the first initial treatment of the slab, but it serves the same purpose. So this chemical is more of a lasting chemical that's for longevity. So this is what we use to treat houses that have a current infestation or are just wanting to make sure they don't have one.
All right, so this is a follow-up to, you know, part of the occupancy permit, everything. You got to show that you had this done. All right, and I'm ready to start building the upper section. So that's what's going on next. I got a nice platform here to now start building off a nice deck to build the upper section. So excited about that. That's when it's really going to start looking like the YEA-FRAME. Besides the building progress that you see, I've been taking a lot of videos. No time for editing or putting them together at this point. Customer assembly videos. I got to keep building. Got to get this enclosed and weather tight. That'll come later. So thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. There's always something around here. Sounded like an alien. And if you think it would be beneficial to family and friends, consider sharing it. To find out more about YEA-FRAME, please click on the link in the description below. Thanks, and remember, build safely.